sunny just for me. Think a funny thought,
Think a funny thought,
or a sunny word,
or a sunny word
that will make me happy, little orange bird. He thinks beautiful orange pictures and beautiful orange words, though his little beak can't even speak a squeak. All the thoughts he ever spoke appear in orange smoke.